Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is the continuation of my last video where I have explained about the components of LangGraph. In this video, we will see its practical implementation. Let's get started. First, we need to install the LangGraph package. Here we have to do like this. Then after that, we need to create our state. For creating a state, we make use of TypedDict of Python, and inside the state class we need to give the string whichever we need to store our string state, or you can say the current state. So we are creating it as a graph underscore state string. Let me run this. So our state is created. Now the next thing in our example, we have three nodes. The first one is I am, the second one is happy, and the third one is sad. So for creating that particular thing, what we are doing, we are simply creating a function and appending that state with that particular value whichever is required to be updated in that particular function. So for I am, we are adding I am. For happy, we will be going to add happy to the current state, and sad for that sad state. So here we are creating three nodes. Let me run it. So we have our state nodes. Now we need to create our edge. So we are creating a conditional edge using a Python's random. So I have created one particular function which returns either happy or sad as a result. Randomly it will be going to give the result. So let me run this particular thing. And now the important thing is graph construction, which you need to understand. So as the first thing, what we need to do is we need to create the state, this one. Then as we have three nodes, so I am creating three nodes, adding three nodes to our graph. And this is the function which we have defined in the above code, and this is the name of that particular node. Next, we have to create the logic. As we know, after the start in the I am node, we need to add the edge. Then after that, I am will take two conditional edges which will decide our mode. So after the I am, we are adding that decide mode to this particular conditional edge. This conditional edge will either go to the happy or end, and then end. Then after that, either it can go with sad, then it will going to be end. Let's compile this particular graph and see how this particular graph looks like in code. Let me run it. Now if you see, you will get an idea what our graph is doing. It is starting, then going to I am. This will be going to append your I am, whatever the starting input it will be. Then here we are making use of that mode, decide mode function, which will decide whether we need to go to happy or sad. If it is greater than here we are having the condition, if it is less than 50, we will go to happy, or if it is then either it is sad, and then we will end it. Let me invoke and show you how it will be going to see. Now when I run, I am giving an input to the graph state as hi, this is Venki, and it is giving me hi, this is Venki, I am sad. So it run. First it went to node 1. In node 1 it added I am. Then it went to the node 3. Node 3 is nothing but sad, so it added it as sad. This is all about this video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the future videos in this particular channel.